So here we go. We're doing ultimate box breaks tonight. We're finishing off the Inception, and it's dueled up with the Elite. So here we go. Let's go ahead and let's get these little guys going here. So this will be round number 5. So Inception dual box break round number 5, 8, 8, 12, 10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Here's everybody in that break, just to show you guys again. All right, there's everybody right there. So we'll grab a box of Inception. We'll put it back up here, which is just right there. Then we'll grab our box of Elite right there, and let's get it home. All right. So we are expecting some strong to quite strong hits tonight. We'll meet the Fockers there for you. But anyway, good luck. Carson Palmer, Jason Witten, Frank Gore, Anquan Bolden, and Darrelle Revis. Which, by the way, I'm so sick of hearing about the Jets training camp. It's unbelievable how sick I'm hearing about them. Cam Newton, Richard Seymour, and rookie, it's gold of Kendall Wright. And that's 44 out of 149. So going to the Titans, Plaxico, DeMarcus Ware. DeMarco Murray, Alex Smith, Courtney Upshaw for the Ravens. That's card number 801 out of 999 to the Ravens. So that's going to Ronald Reed. Matt Castle, Ray Rice. Reggie Wayne, Beanie Wells, and rookie for the Cardinals. It's going to John W. Ryan Lindley, so quarterback for the Cardinals. And that's 172 out of 199. One of the shorter prints. I like it. Turn of the century. Victor Cruz, Colt McCoy. All right, Wes Welker, Vincent Jackson, and for the Chargers, that's Ladarius Green. For the Chargers, going to Andy B. 225, 399. Ryan Matthews, Aaron Rodgers. Peyton Manning, Kevin Cobb, A.J. Jenkins, nice rookie there for the 49ers, 26 out of 799. So going to Andy L. Nice hit there, brother. Peyton Hillis, Antonio Gates. Did you guys see that Trent Richardson was already hurt? The Browns literally have the worst luck ever. I don't know what they're doing in the training camp, but they're terrible. Why do they do this to me every year? Drew Brees, Jay Cutler, Arian Foster, and for the Rams, that's going to be Steven Jackson. And jersey card there for the Rammers going to Adam T. And that is numbered 215, 299. That's a nice hit there, brother. Greg Jennings and Chris Johnson. So we got 2 more hits out of this box, and then we have the Inception right after this. Brian Ripko and Tom Brady. Russell Wilson for the Seahawks. 884 out of 999. There you go. To Josh W. Adrian Peterson, Freddie Jackson. Unbelievable. You can hear him out there. Andre Johnson, Nate Washington, Kellen Moore for the Lions, and that is 858 out of 999. Matt Hasselbeck, Jared Allen. Christian Ponder, Stevie Johnson, Darren McFadden, filler. Ryan Fitz, Mark Sanchez. Die cut, calling it. Nope. Tony Romo, Patrick Willis, Matt Schaub, James Laurinaitis, Dwayne Bowe. Last little stack here for Elite. So like I said, I got Topps Jumbo for tomorrow, so that'll be kind of cool. Matt Forte, Mendenhall, Stafford, Heath Miller, and Charles Woodson. Can we get a hit? Rob Gronk, Steve Smith, Craftsman of Jason Witten, and that's 625 out of 999. Going to the Cowboys. LeGarrette Blount, Reggie Bush. Tim Tebow, Tavares Jackson, and for the Texans, DeVere Posey. And that is number 328, 399, going to the Texans, John L. There you go, buddy. Eric Berry, Matt Ryan. Blaine Gabbert, Julio Jones, Jimmy Graham, and for the Saints, it's going to be Marquise Colston. On jersey there for the Saints, going to Adam T. And that is 3 out of 299. Eli Manning, Greg Little. Michael Vick, Von Miller, and Wes Welker for the Patriots. 809, 999. Let's throw those over there. Sean Jackson, Willis McGahee. So no die cuts yet. I wish we would get one. Vernon Davis, Maurice Jones-Drew, and oh, there it is. I done told you. So to the Redskins, John W. That, my friend, is an RG3. Wow. And don't tell me. Oh, I thought it was numbered to his jersey. It is not. But it is 30 out of 99. So that's one of the big hits, I think. Let me go ahead and just put one of these little guys on it real quick. There it is. Awesome, 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 awesome. RG3. Boom. Marshawn Lynch, Jamal Charles. I almost, I knew there was going to be something huge, but we still have a lot of big hits left because they state there's 4 big ones, and we haven't hit any of them yet. So Michael Turner, Darren Sproles, David DeCastro, 749, 999 there for the Steelers. Rowdy White, Colston. Unreal hit. Oh. Hester, Roethlisberger, Hello, and Dalton, Troy Polamalu. Last pack here. We've got all 4 hits in here, but man, still got a whole nother box of Inception right there for you. Ben Jarvis, Green Ellis, D'Angelo Williams, and Brandon Marshall. Going to the Bears, 175, 999. Calvin Johnson, Sammy Bradford. I would like to get my hands on a nice RG3 before he starts blowing up this year. I think he's going to do very well. Go ahead and put those there. We still got the Inception too. We did it once with Cam. I mean, who's to say we couldn't do it again? If you hit back-to-back RG3 hits, that would be pretty amazing. So pretty thin pack here, but here we go. Drew Brees for the Saints. Base card, going to Adam T. DeMarco Murray. Then we have Alex Smith for the 49ers, going to Andy L. And that's 115, 252. We got Wes Welker. And that is 113, 123. And we have TJ Graham for the Bills, going to Andy B. On-card auto. And then, of course, you have him, Bernard Pierce. And this is a rookie auto jumbo patch, so that'll be kind of nice. But nonetheless, Bernard Pierce refuses to sign anything out of Inception. And we were just talking about him. Trent Richardson for the Brownies, going to Donald C. Big jersey to 131, 165. So, unreal hit here. Nice little RG3, numbered to 99 auto. So, that went to John W. Welcome back, brother. So, that's going to be number 5. And we'll get right on to number